Good morning, students. Again, now let's understand about the three parts of neuron with the help of diagram. Okay, students, this is the diagram of neuron. This is the single neuron, and there are millions of neurons are present in our nervous system, in our mind. Millions of. This is the one neuron, one nerve cell. The first part of neuron is the cell body. This part, the head part, is known as cell body. This is known as cell body. This part is known as cell body. In the cell body, there are many parts. In the cell body, there are many parts. The first part is the fiber-like structure. The fiber-like structure that is known as dendrites. Dendrites. D-E-N-D-R-I-T-S. Dendrites. What is dendrites? The dendrites are fiber-like structure. That is the thread-like, धागे की तरह thread-like structure or fiber-like structure which arises from, मतलब वो कहाँ से निकलता है? Which arises from cell body. That is the definition of dendrites. What is dendrites? Very important. हर एक एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. What is dendrites? So dendrites is a thread-like structure or the fiber-like structure which arises from the cell body. जो cell body से निकलता है, that is known as dendrites. Okay. Next one, this part is known as, and this part is known as nucleus, and this part is known as Nissls granule. Okay, and this part, this tube-like structure, that is the tube-like structure. This is the tube-like structure is known as axon. Tube-like structure is known as axon. This is known as axon. Okay, and this is known as the sheath-like structure. A layer, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक लेयर है, ये लेयर है. इस लेयर को हम बोलते हैं, ये एक्सॉन के ऊपर ये लेयर होता है हमारे नर्व सेल्स में. इस लेयर को we are called, that is known as myelin sheath. That is known as myelin sheath, that protect the axon, that provide the strength to the axon. Okay, and this is the node. The node, GANT. Okay, that is the node. This node is known as Ranvier's node, and that last point is known as terminal point. So students, the the part of the nerve cell is three. That is, the first part is cell body. Inside the cell body there are dendrites, there is a nucleus, there is a Nissls granules, then after axon. The second part is axon, and the part of the axon, the upper part of the axon, there is a myelin sheath, and the myelin sheath have a node. That node is known as Ranvier's node, and the last part of this tissue, that cell, is known as terminal point. Okay, so these all diagram is belong to the neurons. Okay students, if you feel any problem in this diagram, you can ask in our classroom. Okay, thank you very much.